Hi guys, what's up? My name is Khyati and welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm reviewing this Pilgrim products that I've recently received and also sharing with you how I use this product in my daily routine. So let's get started. So firstly, talking about the brand Pilgrim, this is a made in India brand which curates Korean beauty products, and we all know how amazing Korean beauty and their skincare is. So super excited to try this one out, and all of their products are for men and women both. So that's a great thing. Now why I was more excited to try this brand and especially their product, this one. These all the products I received are from the Secrets of Jeju Island range, and they have a special ingredient called as volcanic lava ash. Now this is the very first time I have heard of any such ingredient being used in a skincare product, so I was very curious to know what this is. So I searched on their website, and there it says that volcanic lava ash is nature's one of the strongest purifiers that penetrates deep into your skin and gets rid of all the dust and gunk and the excess sebum and helps you rejuvenate your skin, heal your skin from inside. So let's see how this works. So they have sent me three of their products from the Secrets of Jeju Island range. First one is the volcanic lava ash body wash with yugdugu and aloe. Second is the volcanic lava ash body scrub with yugdugu and white lotus. Third is the volcanic lava ash face scrub with yugdugu and white lotus. So the first product that we have here with us is the volcanic lava ash body wash. Now this comes in this matte finish box, and inside first we have is a loofah. You get a free loofah along with it, and I think it's great that they are sending loofah, because whenever you use a body wash along with a loofah, it works a lot better and shows a lot better results as compared to when you use it with your bare hands. So that's that. And then you get a bottle. This is a 200 ml bottle for 450 rupees, and the bottle is pretty nice and thick, and I love the cape of this bottle. It's just you click here, take your product and close. There is no mess along with that. Where instead, I don't like this open cape bottle. There's a lot of mess with that. Now the smell of the product is pretty subtle, and I like products that don't have a lot of strong smell. So now for the application of the product, I'll apply some water on my skin and take a few drops of body wash on my wet loofah and start lathering it on my skin. So this body wash contains volcanic lava ash, which is a purifier which penetrates deep into our skin, helps us fight all the pollution and dust that has been sitting inside deep our skin and clean all the pores. It also has yugdugu, which helps us reduce dark spots, and aloe vera gel, which we of course all know deeply moisturizes and nourishes our skin, which helps us give a smooth and hydrated texture. So the application of the product is very easy and hassle free, and my skin feels super hydrated and nourished. It's absolutely not dry because I am absolutely dry skin type. So great one. I use this every single day, and I would highly recommend if you are a sensitive skin type to try this one out. So the next product that we have with us is the body scrub, and I like to use my body scrub along with my body wash only. So this comes in a tub, and you also get a spatula along with it, and I like products, especially when you have product in tubs that you get spatula. It is very easy to apply. So this is a tub of 200 grams, and this costs for 650 rupees. And when you open this is what the consistency looks like, and this smells divine. This is one of my favorite one when it comes to fragrance. From all of the three products, I've been absolutely loving the fragrance of this. So now for the application of the product, first apply some water on your skin and then take a generous amount of the scrub and start exfoliating it on your skin in circular motions. So this scrub will help you get rid of all the dead skin cells that have been sitting on your hand and promotes skin cell regeneration too. And as this scrub also has yugdugu and white lotus, which will help you get rid of tan and improve your skin elasticity. So the unique texture of this scrub will help melt all the granules by itself, and as you can see, after I rinse off the product, only there is gunk in the water and there are no granules being fallen out. So this scrub will penetrate into your skin and smoothly get rid of all the product without damaging your skin. So that is how I like to use my scrub. I use it twice a week after my body wash, and my skin feels super nourished. All of my dead skin cells is gone. I have a smooth layer. I don't get breakout after this. And you can top this off with a body butter of the same range. I'll link it in the description for you to check it out. So now the next product is my absolute favorite out of all of this product because it showed such an instant result in just one wash, one application, and that is the Volcanic Lava Ash Face Scrub. Now this again comes in a tub and with spatula. I love products, like I said before, who has spatula when it comes to tub. It's very easy for application. So this is a 100-gram tub for 400 rupees, and the consistency of the product is also very creamy and you can easily apply it and smell. What secret ingredient do you use for such amazing smell? I don't know, but all of their product are smelling so amazing. So for the application of this product, I'll apply a generous amount using this spoolie on my wet face and start exfoliating in circular motion. So this face scrub helps me remove tan, blackheads and whiteheads and even deep cleanses my pores, providing me a brighter complexion and even a natural glow from within. So be very gentle while massaging this and don't over exfoliate or else you might feel irritation and itchiness on your skin. So after massaging it nicely, I'll rinse it off with water and this is what my skin feels like. It's super hydrated, it's glowy, it's very soft and supple skin and I'm absolutely loving it. So I like to use this face scrub 2 to 3 times a week. After I am done with my shoot, I remove my makeup and I give a nice 2 to 3 minute massage using this, and it helps me get rid of all the makeup and dirt particles that are been sitting deep inside my skin. And I would recommend this for people who are confused as to what face scrub they should opt for, because this gives a nice balance for both oily and dry skin type, because I am a combination skin type. I have oily T-zone and rest of my face is super dry, and this makes my face super balanced. Neither of them is extra, not super dry, not super oily. It is super balanced after using, so highly recommend this one as well. So all of the Pilgrim products are 100% vegan, cruelty free, FDA approved. They have no parabens or sulfate and they are free from not just 2, 3 or 4 but 20 toxic chemicals. So it is perfect for people who are beginners and wanting to try some skincare but don't know where to start from. You can try out this one. All the links of the products and the website link is mentioned in my description box for you to check it out. So that was it for my today's video, you guys. I hope you liked this video and found it helpful, and if you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you all next time. Bye.